Hello to all the lovely, beautiful, divine souls. Today I'm back with another video on a very beautiful topic that I got as a download. Many of you think that you have uplifted yourself, done a lot of inner work at soul level, at all multidimensional level. You have done a lot of inner work, and yet, why do you still have to deal with those 3D situations, those 3D experiences when you have already uplifted your vibration? Now, the answer to this is that you have worked on yourself, and um, you have done the beautiful work. You have reached to the 5D union. It could be not just for the twin flame journey, for anybody out there in a star seed journey, in a twin flame journey, in any kind of spiritual journey. If you're a light walker, whatever you are in this earth grid, and you are doing a grid work for Mother Earth also. One of the collective purpose, one of the collective contract of your incarnation, of our incarnation, is also doing the collective work, doing uplifting the vibration of 3D through our presence, through our loving presence. And this is why you are still having to deal with all those situations. And the test, even though you have fulfilled your individual contract of accessing the 5D consciousness of unconditional love, that is your truth, that unconditional love is your truth right now, and you have really completed that contract, but you're still having to live in this 3D, you are still having to deal with this 3D situations, because you came here not for a personal purpose only. You came here to create a new earth, birth the new earth with unconditional loving vibration that you carry within you. Even though you are accessing 5D, you are carrying that 5D unconditional loving space within you, and through your presence, your family members will awaken, your society will start to awaken, the collective will start awaken through your presence within that grid where you are being present, being called to be present. So this is a grid work which is also a part of contract and purpose. Major reason why you are still having to deal with the 3D experiences. And one big challenge and a test also for you is, and even though I call it a test, it's not even difficult if you have actually embodied the unconditional loving vibration. You don't have to, it will not be difficult for you to deal with anybody, because you have been there. You see everything from the lens of compassion. You are accessing your divine eyes to see everything through the oneness. You are seeing everything, you are accessing everything through oneness. And this is why it must not be difficult for you being in the 3D as a 5D being. And it's, even though we call it a test, it's not even a test, because if you have already embodied that vibration, you are going to inspire through your presence. You are not going to get triggered or agitated. And if you do feel this way sometimes, know that you are a human, know that you are still journeying. But if you face this often, you often get triggered by the unconditional love, then there is a judgment inside you, and you are not fully accessing unconditional loving vibration. So you need more work as a personal contract. Thank you so much. I hope you found this video helpful, and do let me know in the comments. Like, share, subscribe, follow, and stay tuned. Thank you.